Hey there, in this video I will show you how you can properly install and insert any physical SIM card to your new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and Plus, so stay tuned. Now first, look for the SIM ejector that came with your S24 Ultra's box. You can use other SIM ejector as well, but we recommend you to stick to the original ejector for your phone's safety purpose. Before the SIM installation process, we recommend you to just go ahead turn off your phone just for safety purpose. We're doing all the process with our phone turned on for better visibility. Now locate the SIM tray slot at the bottom of your phone. Insert the ejector to the hole. Press it gently until the tray pops out. Eject the tray fully. Now take your SIM and place it face down on the tray. Attach it properly so it doesn't fall out. Now just in case you're using dual SIM, go to the other way of the tray and insert your second SIM just like the way we have shown you. Now after that, insert the tray to its place again and push it until it's stuck properly. Now wait for a while till your phone detects the SIM. Now if you've already activated an eSIM and also using dual SIM, please remember at a time, maximum 2 SIMs can be active and you will get to choose it. Now whenever you want, you can remove the physical SIM by the same process we have shown you. So that's how you can properly install SIM card to your S24 Ultra. Thanks for watching.